Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to unbox very special gift I got for myself in a couple of years. I've been looking for this perfect bag. I've been waiting for this perfect bag from Miu Miu for a very long time. This bag was sold out in a lot of Miu Miu stores. I just got lucky that the person I was working with finally called me and told me like, hey, you can get it today. So let's unbox this together. I came recently from Spain, Madrid. This was my first time in Madrid. The entire Spain has only one Miu Miu store in the entire country, which that one specific store, a lot of pieces that I saved for my trip was sold out. And even though I was waiting for a week, that's the only piece and the main piece and the most important piece that turns out to be in stock. This bag was waiting for another owner, but because this other lady, she lives in Madrid, she can wait a little longer, and I had to leave the next day. So Hugo, a very nice guy who was helping me, he was really kind, and he talked to another sales representative and convinced her to let me get this bag. And here it is. Look at her. Just look at her. So most importantly is the color of this bag, which is not brown, not mustard, not white or black. This color called briarwood, kind of like chocolate if you ask me, and this is the trendiest color of the season for sure. That's the size small, but I'm pretty sure that I can fit a lot inside of this bag. If you look at my channel, most of my bags are really tiny and I was able to fit a lot inside of them. We have a nice soft leather. We have this little strap that holds both of the handles, which made of leather as well. We have Miu Miu logo, gold-toned hardware, and we have the zipper. Okay, let's open it. First, I wanna unbuckle this strap, which also has the Miu Miu logo on this tiny little strap. The zipper. Let's take off this paper. So I hope you guys can see everything, because I know the contrast of the shadow and the sun can be tricky. Oh my god, this is just so perfect. The leather is just so nice and soft. Look at that. I'm obsessed with the color. Initially, I was looking for the same bag, the same chocolate color in suede, but a suede bag, just not possible to get. This is another logo on the other zipper. Both of them actually has a Miu Miu logo. Let's see up here. You see the sun reflecting on the hardware. It's so cute. Okay, let's open up the bag. Unboxings video are my favorite. Okay, we have some paper, filling obviously. We have another dust bag with Miu Miu logo, and here comes the favorite part, is the strap. This bag actually comes with a strap. And I'm a crossbody girly. So for me, it was like music to my ears when Hugo told me that this bag actually comes with the strap. Because maybe from the first glance, you won't see the hooks up here. And they're not here, they actually up here. This is hook number 1, and here is the hook number 2. So for me, it was a pleasant surprise, because I love crossbody. Most of my bags are crossbody, so let's attach the strap. Honestly, I have the feeling that this bag is even bigger than it seems, because it comes in 2 sizes. Big and small. So this is the small. The height is 10 centimeters, the width is 22 centimeters, and the length is 7.5 5 centimeters. Okay, so inside we have another zipper with another logo, and it has this extra compartment where we find all these cards that I probably don't need. And yeah, this is the extra compartment, like a tiny wallet, as they called it for some reason at the store. How cute. How cute is it? I love that it has 2 zippers. So on the official website, in the description of this bag, it says that this bag's supposed to hold an iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Miu Miu card holder, the big Miu Miu wallet, and other small items, probably like lipstick and stuff. So let's see how much stuff we can actually fit in here. And first and foremost, obviously, we're gonna put my iPhone in there. This is my iPhone. It's iPhone 15 Pro, not Pro Max, but still going in. Second, I don't have keys to my apartment, but I do have a card holder. Second, let's do the card holder. I don't really use wallets, but still going in. I don't have a keys to my apartment. I only have a key card, but we're gonna put something else. For example, sunglasses. Here we go. It's actually big Prada sunglasses. You can't tell from the video, but still it has a saline sock for some reason, but whatever. Okay, next we're gonna put this cushion foundation. It's actually pretty thick and bulky. Going in. I'm gonna put 2 of my lip gloss, not even 1. And also sometimes I bring my vlogging camera, but since I'm recording on the vlogging camera right now, I'm gonna put this disposable camera inside, which is actually pretty big. Okay, and it's all in there. I'm pretty sure I can squeeze in some scrunchie or keys if I would have them, maybe like a car key. Actually, I can fit another lipstick inside and maybe something else like a hair clip, small one. And it seems pretty okay to close. Yeah, I didn't have a single problem closing this bag. So even though it's size small, it's pretty spacious and fits a lot. And most importantly, I want to show you how it actually looks as a crossbody bag. So let's see, the strap is adjustable and 105 centimeters, as the description says online. Okay, I think that's the perfect length. If I will wear something outerwear like a puffy jacket, maybe I'll adjust it to make it a little lower than that, but for me, currently, I feel like it's the perfect length. I just love crossbodies so much. And obviously the color of this bag. Thank you guys for watching this video and unboxing this baby bag with me. This is literally the second time I'm actually holding this baby. Let me know what you think about the color and the size of this bag. Let me know if you have a similar or another Miu Miu bag, or you're thinking about purchasing it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.